Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your achievements on the Twitch website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on channel. After that, you should scroll down and tap on the customize channel button on the right side. And after that, click on the analytics section, which is the third option in this left side column. Tap on achievements. And here you can find a bunch of achievement sections such as it begins, so start your first stream, explore your dashboard and so on. Here you can see your achievements in terms of your community, affiliation, path to partner, in progress. You have a bunch of options here that you can check out. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.